An above-ground pool in your backyard provides not just a functional area, but also a relaxation space for enjoying quality time with your family without the need to venture out. While the installation may require a significant investment, the benefits are worth the effort and expense. Many people hesitate to build one, often viewing it as less aesthetic and luxurious compared to an in-ground pool. However, this perception isn't always justified. Here are 10 fantastic ideas for creating an above-ground pool in your backyard. As always, to keep upcoming videos featured in your home, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. 10. Simple above-ground pool with deck idea. Building a simple above-ground pool with a deck is quite straightforward. First, decide on the best location for your pool and install a metal frame in the chosen site. Next, construct a deck around the pool to facilitate easy access and to keep your feet from getting muddy. Using wooden pallets can help minimize costs significantly. In the end, you will have a pool that is practical, unique, and visually appealing. 9. Waterfall in your yard. Have you ever dreamed of having a waterfall in your yard? It's entirely possible. You can create an elegant pool featuring a durable tile deck complemented by a stone-constructed pool. This design can also serve as a retaining wall to manage uneven ground levels. The inviting pool, resembling a waterfall, includes a handmade waterfall feature that flows between 3 levels of pools. Realizing your dream of having a waterfall in your backyard is within reach. While some installation costs may be higher, the stunning outcome will leave you satisfied. 8. Light it up. Proper lighting is essential, allowing for evening swims and creating a safer environment, especially for families with children. It is crucial to install adequate lighting around the pool area. This will enable you to keep an eye on your kids as they swim, ensuring their safety. Any outdoor lamps will suffice. Consider low-level garden lights to illuminate the pool area effectively. Alternatively, LED string lights placed under the lip of the pool can add a touch of modern flair and create a dramatic atmosphere. 7. A concrete lap pool project idea. The next idea to consider is a concrete lap pool. This design offers a simple yet refreshing twist that ensures an ideal swimming experience in a private setting. While it is long in terms of length, it is narrow in width. The greenery planted along the edge of the pool enhances the aesthetic, bringing fresh air to your patio space. As the name implies, this above-ground pool is constructed from concrete, a material celebrated for its durability and sturdiness. A wooden deck provides easy access to the pool while creating a cohesive look that complements the wooden flooring beautifully. 6. Custom-made above-ground pool with glass idea. Can you imagine how amazing a custom-made above-ground pool with glass would be? If you have limited backyard space, this option is perfect for you. This pool can transform your backyard, infusing it with elegance through its glass features. It creates a stunning visual impact, adding a unique level of sophistication to your swimming experience. 5. Above-ground pool in a small backyard idea. In a small backyard, you can design a luxurious above-ground pool surrounded by beautiful landscaping. Get creative by incorporating aesthetic elements such as attractive decks, waterfalls, and rustic chairs around the pool. Adding pots of flowers will introduce greenery, while lighting will enhance the atmosphere in the evenings. To provide a more luxurious feel, include accessories like hand ladders and slides, which will add fun for your children. Ultimately, you can create a stunning and breathtaking swimming pool in your backyard. 4. DIY above-ground pool with wood pallets. Who says that building an above-ground pool from scratch is an impossible mission? This option proves that anyone can create one. If you're interested in making this DIY above-ground pool, you will need some wood pallets, nails, a tarp, and a bit of ingenuity. Start by cutting 2 holes in the tarp inside to attach a pump filter. It's as simple as that. 3. Add a solar heater. Have you ever considered adding a solar heater to your pool? This equipment is designed to provide fast heating, similar to what you would find in a grill or oven. It effectively heats spas and is particularly beneficial for smaller pools. Many people are starting to favor solar heaters because they heat quickly, perform well in various weather conditions, and they're affordable. However, the downsides of solar heaters include the high monthly operating costs, reduced durability, and the production of harmful CO2 emissions. 2. Shipping container pool project idea. If you have an unused shipping container, you can transform it into a fantastic swimming pool for your backyard. First, gather the necessary materials, including the shipping container, paint, a 1-horsepower pump, a Zeobrite sand filter, and a natural gas heater. Purchase an above-ground skimmer and hire a welder to cut a hole in the side of the container. Next, fabricate the frame and coat, as well as paint all the exposed metal. Secure the side of the pool to form the deck frame and add the suction line to enhance the flow to the pump, ensuring that the entire system runs efficiently. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1, stock tank pool. Another exciting DIY above-ground pool idea you can try in your backyard is the stock tank pool. Begin by preparing a large vinyl tub, specifically a galvanized steel stock tank. Install the stock tank, which should be 8 feet in diameter and approximately 2 feet deep. Connect a pool filter and pump using plumber's putty and several gaskets. Since debris and mosquitoes are unavoidable, consider replacing the plumbing with copper pipes. Don't forget to install a propane heater to transform the pool into a hot tub. Incorporating an above-ground pool in your backyard opens up a world of creativity and relaxation. From simple DIY projects using wood pallets and stock tanks to elegant custom designs featuring glass and concrete, the possibilities are endless. Each idea offers unique advantages, whether it be affordability, aesthetics, or functionality. Enhancing your pool with features like solar heaters and ambient lighting can further elevate your experience. No matter your budget or space constraints, these 10 ideas demonstrate that anyone can create a stunning and inviting outdoor oasis. Dive into the joy of swimming right at home with these innovative pool concepts. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.